Oh, welcome everybody. I'm gonna do a quick little overview about how I set up my lighting and everything for my headshots. So first things first, what I do is I shoot a softbox through a scrim, and I do it all on one C-stand, just like that. I have a mannequin that I do all the lighting tests with. I have an umbrella over here that's good for like some fill light, a little bit of scratch light, and also does a good fill in the background. I have a mirror that helps me demonstrate posing, and then I tether that all to a laptop right here. For me in the headshots that I do, I think this is like an ideal setup because I can reference their photos that we're taking, give them some advice with the mirror, and the lighting setup is pretty simple. It's just a 2-light setup and it warrants some pretty good photos in the end. Anyways, I hope this is helpful for you and any photographers out there doing some headshot style work. If you like these videos, subscribe. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I'll see you later.